Today we're going to be going over the Wu Sao, or guarding hand. Let's start with the structure. Your hand's going to be upright, thumb's going to be slightly tucked in, fingers will be up but slightly relaxed, and the hand's going to be about a bit more than fist width from the chest, maybe 2 fists width. Now, this hand is used as it's described, a guarding hand. More specifically, it's the guarding hand for your second line of defense when you're when you're in the Wing Chun guard. Now, this is up so that if you're striking with this hand, or if your opponent manages to get past this hand, maybe knock it down, and come in with a strike with their other hand, your Wu Sao is going to come up to stop them. Now, the Wu Sao is going to be blocking with this section of the hand. Sometimes it's with this top section here, but it's going to be more focused on the ulna side of the wrist or the pinky side. Come and make contact with their arm as a block, and sometimes it can even come up. So if they're striking in, it can come up this way to stop them. It's really good for protecting the neck area. Now, for the guard, I was originally taught to do the Wing Chun guard like this with the Wu Sao as my backhand and a Mon Sao, or asking hand, as the leading hand. I've seen other types of guards, though. I've seen them do Wu Sao with a Ton Sao. I've even seen 2 Wu Saos up, because Wu Sao can come from here. It can also come from out here. In fact, in the form, we demonstrate this after Ton Sao, Hyun Sao. Wu Sao goes from here and then coming back to here. So you could have 2 Wu Saos up. And also the intention of their blocking, they typically go out. They won't just stay in place. They'll go out to stop the hand. Now, in the Sil Lum Tao form, we're doing things with one side while the other hand tends to stay in place. And in actual fight, you'll want the other hand to always be in Wu Sao position. The reason for this is you can attack and defend faster from this position than you can from bringing your arm back here, trying to pull it out. Since the hand's already there, it can strike and it can block that much faster. So, for applications, your Wu Sao after guarding, let's say you block an opponent's hand, a strike you can do straight off of it is the side palm, because all you have to do is just rotate your wrist, slightly drop the hand, striking toward their jaw with this section of the palm. Now, let's see how this works on the wooden dummy arms. Now for a combo with this one, let's imagine that these arms are going to be coming like this in this case, so that these will be the insides of the arms. If they're coming at you from one side, you can Ton Sao, stop that arm from the inside. If they decide to come at you with a hook punch on this side, you can use your Wu Sao to strike right into the crease of the elbow, and then from there, lay it over the top, push forward with the side palm like we demonstrated earlier. So if we do this on the other side, it'll look like this. Ton, Wu, to stop that hook punch, lay over the top, and palm strike. So, Ton, Wu, side palm. Ton, Wu, side palm. And you'll notice that I'm doing this from the Wing Chun fighting stance. I've got my Mon Sao out and my Wu Sao out. So my Mon Sao, as soon as they try to strike me, I just go into a Ton. All I have to do is just rotate and push my hand forward. And the Wu Sao is just going to come on this side, over the top. Now in actual speed, this would be more like, because you want transition, not just Wu Sao and then palm, but 1, 2, flowing straight into it. That's a demonstration of the Wu Sao, and with that, all of the hand postures of the first section of the Sil Lum Tao form. So, before we go today, let's go over what we have so far of Sil Lum Tao. Now, if you want to get up and do this with me at home, you are more than welcome to. For this demonstration, I'm going to say anytime I do a posture on my left side, I'm going to use the Cantonese term. If I do a posture on my right side, I'll be using the English translated term. And if I'm doing postures that are requiring both hands, then I'll just say the Cantonese and then the English. Bai Zhong, ready position. Yi Ji Kim Young Ma, goat riding stance. Sol Ji, sweeping fingers low. High. Yi Ji Kim Young Ma. Jing Kyun. Tan Sao. Hyun Sao. Wu Sao. Vertical fist. Dispersing hand. Circling hand. Guarding hand. That's the first section. Now, we're going to do a little sneak peek and go into the first part of the second section because these will be moves that you have already. After this Wu Sao, your left hand is going to Tan Sao, Hyun Sao, Wu Sao. Get it? Give yourself a pat on the back because you've earned it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.